also heard that you have received a standing ovation during a film festival.
Yes.
So
yes.
can you explain me a bit more about it?
It was my first film festival. This was 2 years back with Olium Olium, where it's a very sweet, simple film. And even for Kajal, I'm getting goosebumps right talking
Oh
about
my
it.
god, yeah, I can see that.
So, you don't expect, firstly, I did not even expect them to understand the film, because they're so culturally bound, these films. And they understood, and then I went on to win Best Actress in all the film festivals internationally. And the standing ovation for a 200 audience in the film festival to give the standing ovation only for my character for that film,
Yes.
amongst like 90 other films.
It's
was
truly a
something-
blessing, I
It's
must
truly a
say.
blessing. It's truly
And you all deserve it.
so sweet. Thank you. And it's also very encouraging because you feel okay,
Yes.
you're doing something which is on the right path. Otherwise you can
Absolutely.
just not know.
Yeah.
So yes, it was very motivating, and it was. I think also I was very thankful to my makers who took the plunge to make and cast me.
Yeah.
So it was such a beauty, and I like to work with people where I can contribute. In terms of anything, in terms of bring something to the table. So I like working with good teams and good units, and I'm very excited about my next film because that's also a very nice crew.
Yes.
And it's
I can see all the excitement in your eyes as of now. So tell me more about this movie and the character, or if you are allowed to say, talk about that.
So I can't talk much about it because I want to surprise you guys with what I'm doing.
Yes, we are too excited about that.
And secondly, it's a very contrasting role. It's about a girl she's a village girl from Telangana. And but what she does is very interesting, so I can't say.
Yes.
But I'm waiting because I think the process for me was very interesting. I've already shot half of the film,
That's
and
so
we
nice.
stayed in the village, and how I was one I forgot that okay, I have to go back to Hyderabad. So
That's so nice.
Yeah,
People
so-
here make you very comfortable, yeah, that you don't want to leave. I bet on that.
Yes, it is. So it's a film I'm looking forward for all of you to watch, and I
Yes.
hope everybody likes it because it's 360 degrees from Bhanumati.
We are equally excited as you are, Bhanumati garu.
Thank you.
అండ్ మనం ఇప్పుడు ఒక డిఫరెంట్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఉన్నాము లైక్ మనకి ద వరల్డ్ సినిమా హ్యాస్ కమ్ టు ఆర్ ఫీట్ అండ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ అ డిఫరెంట్ సార్ట్ ఆఫ్ స్టోరీస్ సో హౌ డూ యూ థింక్ టాలీవుడ్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద మీడియం లైక్ బాలీవుడ్ ఆర్ హౌ ఈస్ ఇట్ చేంజింగ్ what observation is
I've
yours?
been telling this to everyone, because I hear scripts from everywhere. I hear scripts from Hindi, from Tamil, from America. I feel Telugu industry by and large is at a very interesting point. They're making some amazing scripts.
Yes.
Amazing stories are coming out. A lot has to do with the OTT platforms. You already have an audience, and what happens with an OTT platform is that you can really tell a story at length.
Yes.
You can go into the
depth,
character.
the character.
There are not that many restrictions which are there in a theater format.
Yes.
But coming back to Telugu industry, I think now there are a lot of voices of women or real stories are coming out, which is
Yes.
interesting. So earlier I think it was a little more glossy. Now real stories are coming out.
Yes.
And what advantage Telugu industry has is they've seen Malayalam, they've seen Tamil, they've seen Bollywood, they've seen Hollywood, they've seen European cinema. So they are making very interesting content now. So that is
Yes.
something that I'm really looking forward to, and I'm really happy to meet some amazing artists here.
Yes.
Maybe directors, maybe technicians, and some new voices. And it's now commercial cinema is also getting, what do you call indie commercial. So that's a very interesting.
అండ్ తెలుగు బాగా నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేశాను అన్నారు ఐఎమ్ రియలీ డైయింగ్ టు హియర్ సమ్ వర్డ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ
Yes. I can say a lot of words, Bagunara.
Bagunara.
On my sets, they call me Banga. So my DOP for a lot of time he used to call me Bangaram.
బంగారం హౌ స్వీట్
Yeah, so I was like, why is he calling me Bangaram? So my assistant came and said, it's a very good compliment. He's
Yes.
calling you Bangaram because he's saying that you're gold. I'm like, wow, that's so beautiful. So it's been an amazing journey, and my journey with Telugu and Telangana is continuing.
బట్ స్టిల్ ఐ డెంట్ హియర్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఫ్రమ్ యూ ఆర్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ బాగున్నారా
I can say a lot of things in Telugu.
Oh, yeah.
What do you want me to say?
తెలుగు మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాం ప్రస్తుతం మనం. మాట్లాడదామా ఒకసారి? సరే, తెలుగు క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అనమాట ఇప్పుడు.
స్టార్ట్ తెలుగు క్లాస్.
So, చెప్పండి, హైదరాబాద్ లో మీకు బాగా నచ్చింది?
హైదరాబాద్ నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం.
అవునా, ఎందుకు ఇష్టం?
హైదరాబాద్ జనాలు చాలా చాలా స్వీట్. ఇంకా ప్రేమలని టీచర్ చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్.
హౌ స్వీట్. ఇంకా ఫిదా అయిపోయారు మా వాళ్ళు అయితే. ఇంకా మిమ్మల్ని ఎటు పంపించేదే లేదు. మరి హాలీవుడ్ నుంచి బాలీవుడ్ నుంచి ఆఫర్స్ వస్తే మరి ఏం చేస్తారో ఏమో.
Nobody will let me go.
Nobody will let you go, that's for sure.
Yes.
భానుమతి రామకృష్ణ డైలాగ్స్ గుర్తున్నాయా కొన్నైనా?
హ్యాపీనెస్ అందరితో ఒకటే కాదు, ఒక్కొక్కరికి ఒక్కోటి. I think that is my takeaway for life
So
also.
nice. మరి మీ హ్యాపీనెస్ ఏంటి, ఎందులో దాగుంది?
అందరికీ ఆనందాన్ని పంచు.
అమ్మో బాబోయ్, యు ఆర్ ఆల్రెడీ మేకింగ్ మీ హ్యాపీ. సో
yes,
టార్గెట్
that is-
ఆల్రెడీ ఫుల్ఫిల్ అయిపోయింది, ఒక కొంచెం వరకు ఫుల్ఫిల్ అయింది. అండ్ యాజ్ వెల్ అందరినీ మీ సినిమాల ద్వారా అందరినీ ఇలాగే అలరిస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి అందరూ చాలా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంటారు. తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరూ మిమ్మల్ని ఇలాగే ఎప్పుడు లవ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు.
Thank you, చాలా చాలా thank you. Thanks for having me here and such a
Always a
beautiful
pleasure,
guest.
as I said.
Yes, thank you and all the best and hope to see you soon.
Yes, we are equally excited. And thank you భానుమతి గారు, మీరు ఇంకా మంచి మంచి పాత్రలు చేస్తూ ఉండాలని మేము కోరుకుంటున్నాం.
Thank you. Thank you.